All right, so in this one, we're gonna be putting together this cabinet that was sent to me for review. You see it came in this box right here. It obviously was packaged very well. We have a lot of foam right there on the floor, and we have all of the pieces kind of laid out. We have our inspector right there. We have our instruction manual. We have all of our hardware in that box right there. They did include a pair of gloves. And what's really cool that I didn't notice was this right here. If you have like hardwood floors or anything, they actually included a cloth for you to lay out so that you don't scratch your floors. Now, I have a rug here, so it's not a big deal for me, but I thought that was a really nice little touch that they did. We're gonna see how long it takes to put together. I'm not necessarily gonna do anything about mounting it on the wall. I think it's pretty aware that mounting a cabinet, you're gonna need a second person, and you know, you're gonna have that's more than just the cabinet itself, which is what we're gonna be doing the video on. So we're gonna put this all together. I'm gonna let you know how long it took me to do it and if I ran into any issues. All right, so here is the cabinet. It is fully done. I just have to get to where I'm gonna hang it, and they have a pretty cool way to get it hanging. It did come with some extra parts here, and it did come with this screwdriver, but I did not use this at all. It stayed in the bag. I used these two tools. That's all I used to put it together, and I actually used this one more than the power drill here. Now I do need to mess with these right here just to get the cabinets kind of lined up better. So it's not that big of a deal that these aren't even. You can just mess around with these two screws. They'll change kind of the up and down and all that to get these level. And as far as hanging this up on the wall, it did come with these drywall screws here with the drywall mounts, which I thought was interesting. And then you have this piece right here, and they actually make it super easy to mount on the wall. So if you look at the back end here, there is a lip. So what you would do is you have this piece right here, and you mount it on the wall like that. You see the lip like this, and you have your 3 drywall screws. I would probably try to put it into, and when you lift the cabinet up, you get this in here just like that, and then you're just gonna slide that, and then that's how it's gonna be mounted, which means it would actually be pretty easy to take off the wall if you ever wanted to take this off the wall as well. So I just thought that that was really cool on how it was a very easy way to hang up on the wall. So very nice looking cabinet. I kind of like the rattan bit there. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera, but the white, it seems almost like an off-white, I guess. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe my lighting is weird, but it seems like it would be super easy to mount. The only thing that I wish it came with, and that was for that piece when you're mounting it on the wall, was a level, even just like a simple bubble level. But I already have one of those, so it's not a big deal. You just want to make sure you have all of your measurements, your height, your width ready, kind of marked on the wall, so you have a better idea on where it's going. And then how easy that is to mount it by just installing this one piece on the wall and then sliding the cabinet in. And it did take me less than an hour to put together. Don't remember if I said that, but very nice looking cabinet for what you're getting.